How to blur text in CapCut PC. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to blur any text in CapCut PC step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials. First, open CapCut on your computer and drag your video clip onto the timeline. Now duplicate the clip by holding the Alt key on your keyboard and dragging the clip onto the upper track. Once you've duplicated the clip, click on the duplicated layer. Now go to the Effects panel and search for the blur effect. Drag and drop the blur effect onto the duplicated clip like this. After applying the effect, you can adjust the blur strength from the effects settings. Now click back onto your duplicated clip and head over to the mask section. First, click on Add Mask and then choose the rectangle mask option. You can also choose different mask shapes if you want, but rectangle usually works best for text. Now resize the mask and position it over the text that you want to blur. If you only want to blur a small part of the text, just place the mask over that specific area. But if you want to blur the entire text, simply stretch the mask to cover all of it. Now preview your video and you'll see that the text is successfully blurred. And that's it. That's how you can blur text in CapCut PC easily.